Rob with Road Dirt, and look what the cold and rain just blew in. My old friend Steve Hawkins, remember in the last episode, we're over Steve's house. He had a little bit of a mishap with his K1200 in a parking lot and busted up some fairing. And rather than put out $23 or more $100 in brand new OEM BMW fairing, the dude looked online, figured out how to weld plastic, and he went to work. And we got to see it, some of it in process. I got to show you some of the Bondo work he had done and how he had actually melted the plastic and melted screen into it to create all of it. And now, let's take a look at the finished product. Check this out. Of course, this piece right up here is new. And then there was a piece right here.
Well, used new.
Well, yeah, new to you.
Body work on it.
Right. And what he did, if you remember, the crack ran from where about,
It
Steve?
went from here all the way up to here.
Yeah.
And this is where I had welded the plastic back together and did some body work. And we had 2 days this week where it was warm enough to get out the paint gun.
And
So
then you went to work.
I gotta get it done.
Gotta get it done, baby.
So I took 2 half days off and took 1 day to prime it and finish sanding, and the next day put color and clear on it, and my Beamer's back on the road.
Back on the road, and it looks great, man. Like, oh, what's that? I don't want to quote a company because they're not an advertiser with us, but like it never even happened.
Well,
I might get
almost.
Almost. Looks great. Man, I tell you what, a little bit of know-how, a little bit of searching on the web, and a little bit of elbow grease, and a little bit of willpower. You can do this too.
That's right.
You can do it. So, Rob Brooks, Road Dirt, signing off.